Hello class 12th. Today I am going to start with this chapter, that is principles and processes of biotechnology. Now today's topic is genetic transformation in plants. Okay, this is your last topic in this chapter, genetic transformation in plants and animals. So now first I am going to start with this genetic transformation in plants. Okay. The technique of transformation allows the integration of foreign DNA into the host genome either randomly or at desired position. Understand it? The genetic information of plant include the following 4 steps. Okay, the genetic transformation of plants include 4 steps. Okay, 4 steps. First one, that is introduction of foreign gene. Introduction of foreign gene into the plant cell. Into the plant cells. Okay. And second, integration and stabilize. This is first step, this is second. Integration and stabilization. And stabilization of foreign DNA in the cell nucleus. In the cell nucleus. Now third step, that is regeneration of transformed cells. Regeneration of transformed cell or tissue into the whole plant. Cells or tissues into the host plant. Into the whole plant. Okay, host whole plant. And fourth one, that is transmission of foreign gene. Transmission of foreign gene in subsequent generation. In subsequent generation. Okay. Now genetic transformation of plant include these 4 steps. First one, introduction of foreign gene into the plant cell. First one. Second, integration and stabilization of the foreign gene in the cell nucleus. And third one, regeneration and transformed cells or tissue in a whole plant. And transmission of foreign gene in subsequent generation. Okay. Now, gene transfer technology has made it possible to transfer gene across sexual barrier. Okay. Transform plant with desirable transgenes are an add to plant breeding program. For instance, several economically important plant resistant to certain herbicide, insecticide and viruses has been obtained by genetic transformation technique. Now, first one, that is vector dependent gene transfer. Okay, first subheading under it. These are the 4 steps. Okay, and first heading under this topic, that is vector dependent gene transfer and gene transfer using vectorless system. एक में हम वेक्टर को यूज करके जीन को ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं और एक वन दैट इज विदाउट वेक्टर और वेक्टरलेस सिस्टम. फर्स्ट दैट इज वेक्टर डिपेंडेंट जीन ट्रांसफर. यहाँ पे वेक्टर की जरूरत, यहाँ पे 2 चीजें होंगी, वेक्टर डिपेंडेंट ट्रांसफर. ओके, वेक्टर डिपेंडेंट ट्रांसफर, यहाँ पे दो मेन टर्म्स आएंगे, दैट इज डोनर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज रेसिपिएंट. ओके, व्हाट इज डोनर हियर? Okay, the vector is go between the transferring genetic transformation from one organism to another. Vector क्या करेगा? जीन को लेके जाएगा from donor to recipient by the vector. ठीक है, वेक्टर क्या करेगा? डोनर का जीन लेगा और रेसिपिएंट में जाके डाल देगा. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज डोनर्स जीन, जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ये है. हमने इसको किसी भी प्लाज्मिड के अंदर क्या करा? अटैच कर दिया इन प्लाज्मिड. तो नाउ प्लाज्मिड इज हियर इज अ वेक्टर एंड देन दिस प्लाज्मिड कहाँ जाएगा? इनटू द बैक्टीरियल सेल, इनटू द बैक्टीरियल सेल. ओके, दिस वन इज बैक्टीरियल सेल. ओके, so now bacterial cell is here is a recipient. Okay, now three terms are here: donor, vector and recipient. Okay, this vector is a go between the transferring genetic information from one organism, the donor, and another, that is the recipient. Okay, first necessity for plant genetic transformation is to develop a system for delivering foreign DNA into plant tissue. Large scale efficient incorporation of new DNA into chromosomes is most often performed using cloning vehicle. Vector is also called cloning vehicles. Okay, cloning vehicles or vectors. Understand it? And the term plant gene vector applied to potential vector both for the transfer of genetic information between the plant and the transfer of genetic information from one organism such as bacteria, fungi and animals to plant. ठीक है, हम डीएनए को जीन को लेके कहाँ आएंगे? बैक्टीरिया से ला सकते हैं, फंजाई से ला सकते हैं, एंड किस में हम इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे? इनटू द प्लांट. नाउ an ideal transformation vector should possess the following properties. ठीक है, अगर एक आइडियल वेक्टर है तो उसकी क्या बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी? इफ इट इज आइडियल वन, आइडियल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वेक्टर should possesses following properties. First one, it should have single restriction site, single restriction site for a number of endonucleases where foreign gene can be inserted. Okay. Second property, it should carry markers, allowing its selection within the organism used for cloning. And third one, that it should be capable of amplification, capable of amplification. And the second, amplification and easy to isolate, amplify कर दिया लेकिन उसको हम easy to isolate भी कर रहे हैं. Now fourth one, it should have the ability to integrate into the host genome, into the host genome. Now next one, it should have ability to confer on host cell, Okay, now an ideal transformation vector should possess the 5 properties basically. First one, it should have a single restriction site for a number of endonucleases where foreign gene can be inserted. Second one, it should carry markers allowing its selection within the organism used for cloning. Third one, it should be capable of amplification and easy to isolate. And fourth, it should have the ability to integrate into the host genome and exits as stable independent replicon. Next, it should have the ability to confer on host cell some readily selectable phenotypic trait, and expression and transmission of trait should be stable. Okay. Now next one, some vector used in gene transfer. Examples of some vectors used in gene transfer. Vectors used in gene transfer. Okay. First one, that is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and also called thioplasmid. Okay, also called thioplasmid. TI, tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, that is called thioplasmid. And second, thioplasmid as gene vector. Thioplasmid as gene vectors. Next, virus mediated gene transfer. Virus mediated gene transfer. Okay, now vector used in gene transfers are Agrobacterium tumefaciens or rhizogenes. Okay, and the second one, thioplasmid as gene vector, and third one, virus mediated gene transfer.